Hello, Jaguars. It's another great day at Jefferson where students choose to grow, lead, and take an active role in outreach services. Together we're going to make our school, community, and our world a better place. So come on, Jaguars, let's get glowing. It's time for our weekly announcements for August the 30th through September the 3rd. Our menu for the week is as follows: chicken sticks and marinara sauce. On Tuesday, chicken poppers. On Wednesday, crispy chicken on a bun. And on Thursday, pizza Lunchable. We will not have school on Friday. Parents and students, this is a reminder that school will not be in session this Friday, September the 3rd, due to Parent-Teacher Conference Day. If you have not already scheduled an appointment with your child's teacher and you would like to have an appointment, please contact the teacher. The conference may be either in person or by an online Google Meet. Also remember, school will be closed on Monday, September the 6th for the Labor Day holiday. So Jaguars, you have a glowing story to share? There are many wonderful things happening in our building. Teachers and students, you have the opportunity to share your story with 90.3 FM WCSK radio station. This station is located on the campus of Dobbins-Bennett High School. So let's share our glow with our community. Teachers, reach out to Jeff Hall at Kingsport City Schools and begin to share the glow that's happening in your classrooms. Students and staff, remember we all need to work together to lessen the spread of unwanted germs in our building. So please wash your hands often. Work very hard to keep your hands away from your face, especially the eyes, ears, and nose areas. It's extremely important to keep your hands to yourself. That means don't be touching others, their things, sharing food. Please practice social distancing as much as you can and walk on the blue lines as you transition in the hallways. Jaguars, please listen up to this very important change regarding face masks. Starting tomorrow, Tuesday, August the 31st, the Kingsport City School Board of Education has voted to institute a mandate requiring the wearing of face masks unless your parent has completed an opt-out form. The masks are to be worn correctly over your nose and mouth for the entire day unless you are eating or participating in an outside recess or PE. So please enter the school building with your mask on each morning. If you're not feeling well, please communicate that with your teacher. It takes all of us doing our part to help keep us safe and healthy. So let's work together and try to glow this virus out of our school and out of our universe. And now it's time to celebrate our birthdays for the week. Celebrating a birthday on August the 31st in first grade, Maylavon B. Third grade, Honora M. Second grade, Bentley P. And Miss Digert, our art teacher. On September the 1st in kindergarten, Addie B. September the 2nd in kindergarten, Logan M. And fifth grade, Elin W. Celebrating a birthday on September the 3rd in first grade, Bella H. Fifth grade, Michael L. Fourth grade, Lily S. Fourth grade, Peter S. On September the 5th in second grade, Charlie E. Second grade, Graham L. And in second grade, Grider L. Happy birthday, dear Jaguars. Happy birthday to you. Now join me for our words of wisdom. I found this poster online and wanted to share it with you today. It says, kindness makes the heart glow. Did you know that kindness really begins in our own thoughts? And then it comes out through our words and our actions. So Jefferson family, ask yourself these questions. Are most of the things you spend your time thinking about positive about yourself and those around you? In your conversations with others, is your time spent building people up or pointing out the things you don't like about certain people? Ask yourself, are you spending most of your time excluding others or inviting them to join you in conversations, playtime, and the list goes on and on. So how are you really doing when it comes to glowing with kindness? There is not a better time than today to start thinking about others in a kind way. For when you do, it will glow out of you through your words and your actions. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Mann, your school counselor, encouraging all of us to glow with kindness. Our school and our world really needs it. And now, Jaguars, you may join your teacher for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.